This one is on the Mint menu, or they called it the slab menu. Anyways, if you have it installed or you're using Linux Mint, this is what it looks like. And if people don't know how to use this, you can actually like dock it to a tray here. So you see how it has places. Click on that, you can actually over here. Same thing with that, and now you just have your applications. And look at that, here you go, right? You can even do that, and now you have like all these here. But you can bring it back just clicking on here in the side. The best feature in here is probably most people say is the filtering option. So you can go like, search for your applications here. Not a big deal. As far as the favorites, you can actually access your favorite stuff here. If you want to add something to favorites, just right click on it. Like what is this? Add something, showing my favorites, and there you go. You have here, bottom here, right? So that's that. Not a big deal. But if you right click on this, you have the preference, and in here you can change a lot of stuff actually. If you don't like the icons anymore, you can uncheck that. You don't like the name of the menu, you can change that to nothing or your name or whatever. The shortcut for this is Control L, or I mean not Control L, Control Super, the left super. And you can change the Linux Mint icon also. If you're not using Linux Mint, you can do that. Not a big deal. Here you can enable the recent documents again. Oh, and here I would recommend is uncheck this one, because let me show you the difference. So you check that, right? This is the default, and you go to your menu. You see how ugly this is? Like it has little comments on the bottom of the applications. I really hate that. So I would actually recommend unchecking that, and now you have the pretty stuff. See, it's just the icons and the title of it. That's it. So that's that. And what else here? In the colors here, I try to change the colors to make it look prettier. There was no way to make it look prettier, so I'll just say leave it as default. Okay, so but I'll show you what it looks like if you try to change it. I don't know. I tried to change some of it, but not really. Didn't come out really well. Right. So this is actually the best looking one. Okay. So that was really sad. You can't change anything that looks prettier. Next thing, favorites. You can actually expand it. So let me see your favorites here. You have like 2 by 3 rows, right? Let me see, 2 here, and 1, 2, and 3. So you can actually change this if you want like 3 by 3. Okay. So now it'll be like 3 by 3. Like there you go. Right. Something there if you want to do that. Not a big deal. As far as the places, you can remove most of the crap they have by default, like the computer, the network, the desktop, the trash, and you see it's right here in the places. You can add your custom places also. So I did one right here for my videos. So let me give you an example. You click on new, you can go, let's say I don't know, pictures or something, and then you find the path of your pictures. Where is that? Right here. Right. Okay, now you add it, and now it'll be here, pictures. And when you open that, your pictures will pop out. Simple, not a big deal. Same thing with this. You remove most of the crap they had by default that I didn't really want, like maybe log out. I don't need that either. And then see, it's much slimmer here now. Basically, that's it, and that's the Linux Mint menu, or the slab menu. Play around with that if you don't like how it is by default. It was kind of cluttered actually by the default way they had it. Was not impressed with it that time. Anyways, that's it.